Hello and welcome to Tvaritam.AI. In this video, we are going to discuss about how to implement a random forest model into our software. Now to implement a model, once you are done with all the pre-processing steps and you have done feature engineering, feature selection, we move forward with the model architecture selection. So in the model architecture selection, this time we are going with random forest. I will choose classification as my problem type, but you can select regression if you have a continuous value as your target variable. Random forest can be applied for both classification as well as regression problems. Now we will do quickly data validation and then we will jump on to data splitting and sampling. So for sampling, I will go with stratified sampling. This is an option you will see only for classification problems, and status is my target variable. So I can sample the data based on the ratio of classes in the target variable. Now, if you are going with a regression problem, you will not see this, and you can read more about sampling and how it works, or you can also refer to the video on our platform. So you can, for the user guide, you can just go to the platform and search for it on our website. And for the video, you can go to the YouTube channel and you will get the video of how sampling works. Now moving forward with applying this sampling techniques, we have to choose the loss function. Here I will choose Gini index as the split criteria first of all. And my accuracy metrics would be, in this case, accuracy. If you want precision or recall, depending on your problem type, you can also go. If you have an imbalanced data set, you can also go with F1 score. Now, importantly, again for this, if you want to know more about these hyperparameters, accuracy metrics, you can refer to the info section for a quick overview, but you can go through the detailed guides and videos as you want through our platform and YouTube. Now a regularization technique. So for maximum number of trees, I can choose multiple parameters. So I will go with 3 of them, and you can also do the same for other hyperparameters. It will just train a combination for all. So we can select maximum depth and we can give multiple comma separated values for maximum depth. That will help us to limit the depth of an individual tree. Similar options are there for maximum features. This is specific to random forest, maximum samples, and these are the tree based ones where it controls the individual tree, like minimum samples required for a split, minimum leaf samples, maximum leaf nodes that you can allow. So you can play with these and see what gives you the better result. Now I'll move forward with apply, and last is domain constraints. So in case of classification, I get the option to apply class weights 0, 1 and 2. So these are my 3 classes, and I can give different ratio like 1, 2 or 4 to different classes, and I can use this if I know that class number 2 is more important here to predict. In case of regression, you will not see these class weights, but you will see monotonic constraints where you can choose for different variable how your target variable can vary, and you can apply those constraints using your domain knowledge. In this case, because I don't have this domain importance of I need to give more importance to a particular class, I will skip and I will just click on start training. Now we will wait for the training to complete. It will train 3 different models as I've selected 3 different hyperparameter options. Okay, now that the training is complete, we can see that we have trained 3 different models. On the right hand side, you can also see the training and CV metrics. You can see what hyperparameters we selected and what was the split ratio and data sampling technique. If you want more details about how the model was trained, like let us say for for model 2, you want to understand the pre-processing and all the steps, you can download the model description. So you can select the model and download. You can also save the model if you want to use it to make future predictions. You can download the accuracy report, which will save this details in a CSV file, and additionally, you can just go back and try with different hyperparameters if you are not satisfied with the performance or the evaluation metrics, and you can change and see what can get you better results. So this was all about how you can quickly implement random forest into our platform. For more details onto how to save the accuracy report, how to save a model or make a prediction using it, you can again refer to the YouTube section and understand how it works. Thank you.